boys, look at the treat I got in the mail. Ordered this a couple weeks back and it finally showed up. It's a 1.5 by 2.5 rough country lift kit that I'm going to be putting on this thing, 03 Sierra. I wanted to lift it because I want to fit bigger tires, and I think a lift would look pretty cool. I've actually never done a lift before, so I guess this will be a learning thing for me. Just gotta read through these here instructions and figure out what I'm supposed to be doing. It's got some stickers, so you know it's gotta be good. Step installation's done. Got the stickers in. I think they look pretty good with my other 4. Or 2, I guess. There's 4. So, the package came with 4 stickers, so we're put a place to put them, then on the toolbox with pretty much every other sticker I've gotten. So yeah, this first step of the installation is complete. Also happens to be the most important step. A lot of our backs and parts of our brains, we jacked up the jacks and didn't use the chains, and truck's off the ground, which is progress. Now, maybe start dissecting the suspension. What happens when you don't have the right tools to pull your torsion keys with? You make one.
Still going down?
Yep. It's stopping. I think. No, it's on its way down. Yeah. Okay. Oh, going down.
Yeah, it's probably got most of the tension pulled off of it now.
Likely.
That's not moving anymore. There you go. It's off.
Instructions say that we're gonna need to slide the torsion bar out of there, and it really doesn't want to do any sliding. It might need a little bit of persuasion. The old persuader got her out of there quite nicely. As you can see, it's out of there now. Now we can slide in new torsion keys. Get this new one in. So, in order to put the new torsion key in, you need one of these to make one of these things, because if you don't, you just end up using a bottle jack to lift the entire truck off the ground by the torsion key that is in there. We got the new shocks in too. Looking pretty sharp against all the mud and road grime here, and I got the truck off the ground. I've got to change the tire onto inner end because that one's broken. Front end's done and looking all pretty like. On to the back. Shock's new bolts out. Done now. She looks great. Nice and pretty like. I think that adds a little bit of room. Bigger tires. We'll be just fine. So you gotta kind of jump and get in now. We're gonna want to get some Nerf bars.